Okay, beautiful babes. I have a problem. As you can see, I have no eyebrows. Isn't that amazing? So, this is what Hashimoto/90s gets you, right? No eyebrows. So, I am trying to figure out how to do eyebrows that frame my face the way that they're supposed to be framing. If you have a problem like this and you don't know how to do it either, well, guess what? We're going to learn together. So, come on, let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put one side what I normally do, and then I'm going to do it on the other side the way that they tell you to do it in order to make your face frame my way. I get just a shadow that looks similar to my hair color and my little angled brush and my spoolie, and this is how I put my side on. So this is me, this is the right way. So they say make a line from your nose straight up, then from your nose, your pupil to get the arch, which is this mark, and then at the edge of your eye, with the tail, where the tail ends. So there's my lines. So let's see how this goes. I'm supposed to connect the dots. Which looks better? This one or this one? Let me know in the comments. Be kind. Be nice. First time. First time. I'm not sure which one I like better. They both kind of, I mean, I'm so used to this side that it's just the way that it's just natural to me. This side, not so bad. I think it might be, it looks maybe a little dark to me. That's just me. But yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you think? So, this is the way it's supposed to be. And this is my way. Let me see if let me shut the door so you guys can see this glare. There's kind of a glare here. So, I don't know if that's any better. Really not. But there's my way. So, let me know. Okay, friends. Like I said, be kind. So, I went back and I actually did both eyebrows the way that we're supposed to have them done. So, be nice. Be nice. Let me know. Did I do